guys, what's up? It's Avi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be visiting Abu Dhabi and the Babs Mandir for the first time. So this was literally a super impromptu plan. I wasn't planning on going to Abu Dhabi or the Babs Mandir, but my friend was kind enough to invite me and I thought, why not? Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, we are in the bus right now with Bhumi's entire family.
And you can hear the chaos. Every Desi family chaos is this.
I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm going to Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take off another Emirate from the list.
Yes.
So we have finally reached Abu Dhabi and Bhumi got me this cute little teddy bear from Lindt. So we're gonna try it out. Thank you, Bhumi. Thank you.
No, it's okay, bro. It's okay.
How far are we from?
We are on a pit stop now, but हम लोग अभी 15-20 मिनट में.
Okay, so we have
15 minutes.
10-15 minutes. Okay, till then I'm gonna try this. I've never tried this before, so I'm gonna try this for the first time.
But अंदर से खोखला.
Just like me.
चलो तुझे चाय चाहिए? नहीं, ओके ठीक है.
Cute. It has Lindt engraved on it. So I've seen a lot of influencers be like, oh my god, this is so cute. I don't feel like biting it. I don't care. Mint, bro. It's the best.
नहीं, I'm good. I don't like chocolates. That's just me. I don't like sweets. I like making sweets.
Miss Bhumi over here is a dessert chef.
Yes, pastry chef.
Pastry chef. We eat, she makes.
Yes. We'll make a chocolate chip cookie soon too. You can have the recipe, guys, if you want to.
Done. Guys, Ali, say hi. Hi. We're with Bhumi's entire family and we have finally reached. Where are we? Babs. We have reached Babs. It's gonna be fun. We're currently in the, I think, registration area right now. We're done with the registration. But that's the
Too hot,
temple.
man.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
It's very hot. Apparently photography or videography is not allowed, but jahan bhi allowed hoga, I'll try recording it as much as I can.
Yes.
Over here is very fond of the fact that I vlog because she does it too and she enjoys it.
But I never post it.
She never posts it, but I really want to see it, auntie. Yay! We thankfully have an umbrella because it's so hot over here and it's so sunny that we're dying. So come, you be my umbrella girl.
Ma'am, spot. That'll be your spot. Ma'am, pani pi lo.
I'm here with you. With umbrella.
Yes. Oh wow. Two spots.
हमारे दुबई की
इतना इम्पोर्टेंस कोई नहीं देता
ठंडा पानी का फ्रिज है. Then वो गर्मी में बचने के लिए हमें अम्ब्रेला भी दे रहे हैं और चप्पे चप्पे पे एसी भी लगी हुई है.
Yeah.
ये है हमारा दुबई, प्यारा दुबई, छोटा दुबई, सबसे अच्छा दुबई.
So true. So excited to go there.
From Chennai.
So true, bro. Meenakshi. Wait, this is the one from Chennai Express, right?
नहीं, मैं तो चेन्नई गई थी, तो I know.
Oh, acha.
I've been there.
I don't know, but yeah, it is giving Meenakshi temple. We are finally at Babs Hindu Mandir and it's right over there.
And it looks so damn pretty from the top.
Just came back from doing darshan and I cannot explain enough how mind-blowing it is. The interior is so beautiful. Each and every design is so intricate. Each and every design has so much meaning. I think if you guys ever come to Abu Dhabi, this is a must try. So we're gonna stay for the 6:45 aarti and then head back home. Oh, it's too sunny. But there's like water over here. Is this Ganga water?
No,
Bro, it's written Ganga Aarti over there, that's why.
Ganga Aarti, bro. What?
तो गंगा आरती करेंगे तो गंगा पानी की गंगा आरती करेंगे ना, नॉर्मल टैप वाटर की थोड़ी गंगा आरती करेंगे.
I don't know, I guess.
So okay guys,
It's the shake, he can do anything.
also true, there's water over here and there's a sign called Ganga Aarti, so I was wondering whether it's actually Ganga water, but it probably cannot be.
You
But
never know.
You never
Shake
know.
is capable to do anything.
Also true, also true. The interior once again, I cannot get over the interior and the exterior. All of it made from stone, no cement, no steel. I'm mind blown. You guys have to. अंदर marble है ना?
Like, amazing.
It's amazing. You guys can see थोड़ा इधर से, but under it's like another level. It's so good. And the murtis, there are all murtis. It's like Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman ji, Ayappa ji, Krishna, everyone. You have to.
It's amazing. It's so pretty.
It's amazing. Guys, so we just got our prasad. We have khichdi. How is it? Did you try it?
Yes, I love khichdi very much.
She loves khichdi. I hate khichdi, but this is more like dal rice, so I think I'll like it. I like dal khichdi. So we'll have it. Cheers. Hello. This is the Gurudwara. We have finally reached the Gurudwara, which is in Dubai, Jebel Ali, right? So we're gonna visit the Gurudwara. Okay guys, we just did darshan at the Gurudwara. It was so beautiful, right? Yes. And now it's langar time, so we're gonna have our dinner. This is my first time. This is my first time going in a Gurudwara and having langar. So this is the langar. We have some dal, rice, chapati, and the kheer is yet to come. Hey guys, we just finished having langar and I got some prasad for my parents. How did you like the trip today?
Awesome.
Awesome.
With Savri.
With Sauri. Of course, everyone enjoys the trip with me. Sorry. Hey guys, so I'm finally back in Dubai and it has been such a tiring but a really fun day. I'm gonna walk back home and wind down and just have the greatest sleep of my life. I'm really happy that I got to take Abu Dhabi off of my list because it is one thing that I want to do this year, just visit all 7 Emirates of the UAE. So 2 down, 5 more to go. It has been an extremely fun day and I'm so grateful that this impromptu plan even happened, and Bhumi was very sweet to actually invite me. I'm gonna call it an end to the day, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little day in my life where I do something completely out of my routine. And hopefully I post another vlog soon, but until then I'll see you in the next one.